Yeah, I just want to be the greatest.
It's your boy Hi-Fi Vega, and today I'm going to give you a first look at the kicker Snowman, aka the terribly model number KSMT2504. I wonder if the KSM stands for kicker Snowman. Let me know, Kip, if it does, but let's take a look at the box itself. There's a lot of good information on these boxes often that people don't see. So it tells you what it contains: 2 mid-ranges, tweeters, pod assemblies, inline crossovers, mid-range filters, and wiring hardware. The woofer is 2.5 inches with a 1-inch tweeter. The peak power handling is 100 watts, RMS 15 to 50 watts, and the frequency response is 400 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So this will cover the entire top half. But let's get into it and let's see what they look like. As you open it up, it kind of explains to you the mounting situation. You do have a washer and a set screw so that whenever you place these in your A-pillars, they hold securely. That's a nice feature to have. And I'm not sure, I'll have to look up the manual if this is the only mounting option, but as you can see here, it is mounted to the enclosure. You have your 2.5-inch driver up here. Let's get in tight on that. I like the kicker bronze color here, that's pretty dope. And then you have a 1-inch dome tweeter. Looks like a silk dome tweeter. And on the back you have the rotation assembly. So this does rotate all the way from one side to the other. So depending on how you mount this, you may want the tweeter in a different position. Whatever you need. And it's got a nice like ratcheting click to it. So I think this is going to hold up pretty well over the long run. You also get your other Snowman, of course. And then you have your inline filters here. They're already pre-marked and ready to set up. They're just simple inline crossovers, no need for the crazy big box, just something to get in and out of the way. You got a few butt connectors here in case you don't want to solder and you just want to crimp these on, and they got you covered on that. And then you have a couple capacitors here. So these are 51 microfarad 100 volt caps for your mid-range. So that's it. That's everything in the package of the Snowman, the kicker Snowman. I'll leave a link in the description to a few places you can buy these if they're available. They've been very hard to find, but these are very cool. I think you will dig them if you pick them up. These are going in the Trooper at some point, so you will definitely get to check them out and hear them in action in the Trooper some point in the future. But that's it. That is the kicker Snowman. I hope you guys enjoyed this shorter video.
I want to give a shout out to all my Patreon supporters, but a special shout out goes to the $6 or more members: 2001 Monolithic, G Nava, Joaquin Juarez, El Fuego, Travis McClendon, Brandon Hanna, William Berg, Boxboy Audio Sound Solutions, Jesus Tires, Dennis Cromwell Jr., Scott Dilbeck, D. Stewart, Aaron Waltz, David Kozlik, Scott McCord, Matthew Tolberg, DBO Bass, and Corey D. For as little as $2 a month, you can join the team and help me reach my first goal of $200 a month so I can do a Patreon exclusive monthly podcast. If any of this sounds interesting to you, check me out at patreon.com/Hi-Fi Vega.